Hi, everyone, and thanks for joining us tonight. I'm Jessica Layton, in for Jessica Moore. Well, ready or not, thousands of New York City kids are supposed to go back to school this week, but there is still so much confusion over how it's all going to work. And tonight, principals say Mayor Bill de Blasio needs to step aside and the state needs to move in. CBS 2's Hazel Sanchez is live on the Upper West Side. Hazel.
Hi there, Jessica. The Martin Luther King Jr. Educational Complex behind me is one school building struggling to reopen because of poor ventilation. Other schools say they don't have enough teachers or PPE. Many are blaming Mayor de Blasio and the school's chancellor for poor leadership. So the principals union is now asking the state to take over so students and teachers are safe.
It's really scary.
Teacher Nate Floro is among the DOE workforce heading back to school for in-person learning this week. He believes the city is making a huge mistake.
I'm really pretty angry at this point that none of our concerns have really landed with the mayor.
The principals union echoing that sentiment on Sunday, declaring a unanimous vote of no confidence in Mayor de Blasio and schools chancellor Richard Carranza in their handling of reopening schools. Twice in-person learning has been delayed, and on Friday a last-minute change allowing teachers to work remotely from home. Fed up, the principals union is calling for the mayor to hand over control of city schools to the state education department for the remainder of the pandemic.
We just felt that we had to make a public statement at this point because this past week, too many repeat errors occurred, and we need to be able to, do better by our folks so that they can do better by children.
I think it's about time. I think I wish that my union had the wherewithal to do the same. The UFT.
Marissa Garcia teaches English at New Utrecht High School in Bensonhurst, Brooklyn. The faculty's raised concerns about poor ventilation, lack of PPE, a shortage of teachers, and no required COVID testing of staff or students.
If you've got 100 people who haven't been tested because mandatory testing was dropped by both the UFT and the DOE as part of going back, 10 kids, 100 kids on mass transit, there's your second wave.
The mayor's office didn't respond to our request for comment. A city DOE spokesperson would only say the department would continue working with labor leaders on a safe and healthy schools reopening this week. Many teachers we spoke with say the schools aren't ready and they would prefer to go fully remote.
I have absolutely no confidence in the mayor, of course, but I think what we need to do right now is empower schools and teachers to be able to do what we know how to do.
Now, the principals union says its membership and teachers plan on being in school this week, although they say the work from home policy agreed upon on Friday is still up for interpretation. Many are concerned that students may end up in a classroom without a teacher in person to guide them. All of them hoping for more answers and peace of mind before students head back to the classroom this week. We're live on the Upper West Side. Hazel Sanchez, CBS 2 News.
Hazel, thank you.